Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. Let's take a look at those first alert weather days for that Arctic air. That'll be here from Tuesday all the way into Friday. Here we are on Tuesday morning. Now these white colors out west are temperatures in the -20s, while these lighter pinks and then regular pinks are temperatures in the negative teens and negative single digits. Now this black line, that is the 0-degree line behind me, and as we move throughout the day on Tuesday, we're going to see that 0-degree line move all the way outside of Minnesota. So that very cold air is sitting right above us. Look at that. In the Devil's Lake Basin, we're seeing some of those white colors, which means temperatures in the -20s. And out west, up in Canada, those black colors are -30 or even lower. Now, as we move into Wednesday morning, we're seeing those temperatures in the negative teens, and by Thursday morning, things have not improved, maybe gotten even a little bit worse. And those negative teens and 20s are going to continue all the way into Friday morning, but we are starting to see a bit of a warm up by Friday night, though a warm up means just temperatures in the negative single digits by that time. Right now, though, we're looking here in Fargo. There's a little bit of a haze in the air. There were some flurries earlier, so we could be seeing a bit of a drop in the visibility because of that. Temperature is at -5, and that north wind, though it's not blowing all that strong, just at 6 miles an hour, is making it feel like -18. And here's that 0-degree line again, well, to our east and south. So we're sitting plenty cold. Devil's Lake sitting at -12, Langdon -15. In the east, it's a little warmer. Roseau, though, sitting at a +3, but those wind chills are much colder, -29 in Devil's Lake as well as Langdon. In the south, a little bit warmer. Alexandria sitting at -15. And here are those flurries that were moving across the area just a little bit ago. They have not dissipated, but that radar beam is overshooting those flurries, and that's why they look like they've dissipated a little bit. We are seeing some on and off clouds, and it's going to continue during the overnight hours. Here we are about 12:30 tonight, and temperatures are cold. Pay attention to those pink numbers, those wind chill numbers, though. -27 out in Langdon, and we have some flurries, and those are going to make their way into our area during the overnight hours and by the morning. The bulk of the heavier snow is out west, and we're seeing those flurries move right through that Fargo area by around 7:30 this morning. Now, temperatures are going to continue to be negative during that time, but we'll see a bit of a warm up by noontime, and that snow will become a bit more widespread, primarily in the Southern Valley and Lakes Country and up in the Devil's Lake Basin. But as we move throughout the day, that snow is going to become more widespread. Not all that heavy, but we could see 1 to 3 inches in accumulation in some places, and that snow is just in time for that evening commute. And by bedtime, that snow is mostly in northern Minnesota, and that's going to make its way out. Tomorrow afternoon, temperature sitting in the positives, but very low positives here in Fargo. We're going to start about -5 and work our way up to 5 and see some snow midday. It's sundog season here in the valley. Thank you for that photo, and plenty of red up on the board for those first alert weather days from Tuesday all the way to Friday. So we just have to get through that cold.
Yeah, it's looking better. You promise,
After that,
Jim?
yeah, we have a nice warm up in the future.
All right, that is a Christmas gift. Thanks so much. Well, straight ahead, are there